Oh, wait.
Are you going to school?
Yeah.
Okay, me too.
Good.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
Are you angry at me?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
What does that mean?
I guess I'm not really sure how I'm feeling.
Okay. Do you hate me?
No, of course not.
Do you want to hit me?
No.
I think you should hit me.
I don't want to hit you.
Are you sure?
Why would I want to hit you? You didn't do anything, did you?
No. No, I mean, what do you mean?
I mean, like, you didn't kiss her or anything.
No.
Right?
No, absolutely not, no.
Did you want to?
Oh, yeah, totally.
Hey, you two supernatural teenage boys. Don't test my entirely unsupernatural level of patience.
Feel better?